In this video, we will introduce character classes within the Java programming language. In the realm of regular expressions, a character class is a set of characters enclosed within square brackets. It specifies the characters that will successfully match a single character from a given input string. Character class does not refer to a .class file in Java. Let's look at a basic example. Here we have the regular expression constructs, placing a set of characters side by side within square brackets. Below it, we have our matcher object, which we construct with our string to search. By running the program, right-click on the source, run as Java application, we see that we found the text nap. When you need to describe your search criteria as a group, or known in the context of regular expressions, a class that shares potentially complex commonalities that you need to be able to describe and for which there are no predefined groups or classes. Let's look at a few more examples. Negation allows you to search for all characters except those listed. In other words, to look for any character except the ones listed in your regular expression. Here's an example. First, let's change our regular expression. The character delimiter only has a not meaning inside the square brackets. So in this example, we are saying not n. Let's run the program. Right-click on your source, Java application, we'll save it. And here we have no match found. There will be times when you need to define a character class that can search for a range of values, like searching for A through G, or through numbers 1 through 5. To specify a range, simply insert a dash meta character between the first and last character to be matched, such as 1-5 or A-C. Let's look at an example. A-P or A through P. We'll remove our previous example. And here we're searching for a range of letters A through P. Let's change our search string, and now let's run our regular expression. Right-click on your source, run as Java application, save it, and we found the text map because M is within the range of A through P. Let's try another example. I'm going to change my regular expression, and I'm going to put map, and I'm going to use a range of numbers 1 through 5. And I'm going to change my search string. Now I'm going to run the program again. And again, we can see that it matched. Let's look at one more example using range and negation at the same time. Let me add the not caret in our expression. So here we can also use negation with our range. Here we are saying not in the range of 1 through 5. Let's leave our search string as it is and run our program. Right-click on your source, run as Java application. No match found. You can also place different ranges beside each other and expand the match. Let's try another example. A through Z and capital A through capital Z. We'll put our square brackets. And our little string AP. So for example, we have A through Z, lowercase, A through Z capital, that will match any letter of the alphabet, A to Z lowercase or A to Z uppercase. Let's change our search string by capitalizing map. And let's run it. Right-click on your source, run as Java application. Again, we were able to match our map. Unions create a single character of a class comprised of 2 or more separate character classes. A union is created by nesting one class inside the other. Let's look at an example. We'll change our regular expression (0 through 3, 6 through 9). This particular union creates a single character class that matches the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, then it jumps to 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if I change my search string and run the program, let's see if I can match it. Found the text 7 because it's within these ranges or this union of ranges. To create a single character class matching only the characters common to all of its nested classes, use the double ampersand. I'll show you how. Let's change our regular expression (0 through 5) ampersand, and now we'll enter in 3, 4, and 5. This intersection creates a single character class matching only the numbers common to both character classes, 3, 4, and 5. Let's change our search string and let's add the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's run our program again. And we can see that we found the number 3. Subtraction can be used to negate one or more nested character classes. Let's update our regular expression to see this example. We add the caret sign. In this example, we create a single character class that matches everything from 0 to 5 except the numbers 3, 4, and 5 by just adding this character here. Let's run the program. And we can see that our regular expression found our first number that is not 3, 4, or 5. So now you have an example of subtraction, intersections, unions, and ranges. This concludes our discussion of character classes in Java.